Hello, music theory students. Welcome to Music Theory. All right, this is supposed to be an about me video, so I'll make it a little bit about me, and then I'll talk about the class a little bit. But I'm Mr. Stager. I have a cat. Her name's Ashley. That won't be on a quiz, even though it should be. You'll know her name by the end of the year. Um, Honestly, this should be my most normal class out of all of them. Okay, I will be getting a smartboard very soon, so the students at home will be a little more benefited from on that. But other than that, it should be a pretty much lecture example, breaking the groups. I mean, it should be a normal like class, so not an ensemble based class. So it hasn't been affected too much by COVID, which is really nice. It's almost nice to have this rock for me. But anyway, let's talk about the class a little bit. Here's my mouse. Okay, if you go to music theory, here's a little bit. I mean, I posted this on the theory classroom. So, welcome to music theory. This isn't an AP class. If you're looking for an AP experience so you could take a test, we don't offer that at this school. Um, yeah, we just can't. If you ever wanted it one day, you would need to find you and 9 other people that would want to do it with you. So generally, I can find people doing a normal music theory class, but an AP class is generally out of the picture. If you ever want to do an independent study, let me know. It won't be easy. Okay, it will not be an easy independent study, but that's because usually people do that after they take this music theory class, and they're like, "Oh, halfway done." No, I mean this class is about a quarter of what a college class would have. So just so you know that, okay, you're going to learn a lot of fundamentals and a lot of basics and a lot of it's going to get actually pretty far. But for you to be successful in the AP class, you really should be thinking about that right now. Okay, you will be doing classroom activities. I'll teach you a little bit of piano, just so you can get by, especially if you don't play an instrument or anything like that. Um, Here's kind of what we're looking at. So, the clefs, staffs, intervals, key signatures, you can read all that yourself. If you have any questions, I'm one email away. I'm one Zoom away during enrichment time. I am one anything you want away. Like, I can help you, okay? This class is very, very, very sequential. In other words, if you need to understand one concept to understand the next concept. It's kind of like calculus in that regard, if you ever took calculus in your life. But you need to understand the first subject and the second subject. Very occasionally, there will be an independent subject besides, the big journey we're going to be on. But, like, if you have questions, ask them as soon as you have them, okay? That is the best way that you will be successful in this class, because it will snowball out of control. Within 2 weeks. Okay, if something doesn't make sense with you while we leave a unit and we're on the next unit, that next unit's not going to make sense to you. So that's just something to keep in mind. Ask questions. This isn't 100% rocket science. Okay, in fact, generally it's just going to be a misconception if you have questions. You don't quite understand what I mean by that or something like that. So it'll honestly be a quick conversation. Generally, I'll give you a couple examples to make sure you can do it, and you'll be on your way. But ask questions, please. Okay. I've seen that a couple times in this class where it just people are messing up on fundamental things, and that's getting in the way of the really bigger picture stuff. So anyway, I think that's all I really need to talk about. I look forward to it. I really do. This is a really fun class for me to teach, especially when we start getting a little more comfortable. Then it becomes more of an informal lecture, and I love informal lectures. They lead to discussions and just great things. If you ever wonder why music sounds the way it does, that's where those informal lectures go. So it'll be a really fun opportunity. All right, so I look forward to it. We'll see y'all around. Bye.